Welcome to Building Better Homes. Today we are exploring two systems that are used in managing waste. We are talking about septic tanks and biodigesters. These two are more popular in Kenya, especially in rural and suburban areas. Both septic tank and biodigesters play crucial roles in treating wastewater, but they have unique features and benefits of its own. Let's dive in. As we all know, a septic tank is a common system used to treat household water in areas not connected to a central sewer system. It consists of a large underground container made of concrete, fiberglass, or sometimes plastic. Wastewater from toilet, sinks, and showers flow into the tank, where solids settle to the bottom and are partially broken down by bacteria. The liquid part then exits the tank and is further treated into a drain field. On the other hand, a biodigester, also known as a biogas digester, is a specialized system that converts organic waste into biogas and fertilizer through anaerobic digestion. It typically consists of a sealed tank where the organic matters, such as food, waste animal product, animal manure, or sewage, is broken down by bacteria in the absence of oxygen. Now, these two have so many similarities and also they differ in different ways. However, they both have its own disadvantages and advantages. First, let's take a look at the advantages of the septic tanks. Advantage number 1, it's cost effective. Its installation and maintenance are generally low. This is compared to other systems. Advantage number 2 of a septic tank is that it is self-contained. It operates independently, unlike other systems that need to be connected to other systems. Number 3, septic tank is decentralized. It reduces the burden of centralized wastewater treatment facilities. On the other hand, these are the advantages of a biodigester. Number 1, biogas production. This is generated through the biodigesters, which can be used for cooking, heating, or electricity. Another advantage, waste reduction. It efficiently breaks down organic waste, reducing the volume and the odor. Number 3, fertilizer production. It produces fertilizers that can be used in farms, and this fertilizer is organic fertilizer. Let's take a look at the disadvantages of septic tank versus disadvantages of biodigester. Disadvantages of septic tanks. Number 1, it requires regular maintenance. Number 2, environmental impact. Poorly maintained tanks can leak pollutants into the groundwater. Number 3, it has a short lifespan. Its components are not made to last for a long time. Disadvantages of biodigester. Initial cost can be actually very high. This is why most people would rather go for the septic tank. Number 2 disadvantage, it requires knowledge to maintain it. Not everyone and anyone can maintain the biodigester, only experts. Number 3, its performance is dependent on the climate. Sometimes, the climate change can also affect how the biodigester operates. Now, let's take a look at the similarities between septic tanks and biodigesters. Number 1, waste treatment. Both systems treat organic waste to reduce environmental impact. Number 2, biological process. Both rely on microbial activities for decomposition and treatment. Number 3, they both provide on-site waste management solutions without the need of centralization infrastructure. Here are the differences between septic tanks and biodigesters. Number 1, output. Septic tanks mainly treat wastewater, while biodigesters produce biogas and fertilizers. Another difference is technology. Biodigesters involve a more complex process compared to that of a septic tank. The third difference is septic tanks are mainly used for residential wastewater, whereas biodigesters can handle a wide range of organic waste. However, currently, most people also prefer to use biodigesters in residential places. Both septic tanks and biodigesters are gaining popularity globally due to their sustainable waste management capabilities. In rural areas and developing countries, biodigesters are particularly favored for their ability to provide energy and improve sanitation. They say old is gold for a reason. At ZN Solutions, you find experts in home renovation, tiling, ceiling repairs, waterproofing and leakage solutions, remodeling of roofs, kitchen and bathrooms, among other home improvement needs. Give us a call on 0796 830 103. In urban and suburban settings, septic tanks remain popular for decentralization wastewater treatment. This is especially where connection of two sewer systems is impractical or much costly. Governments and environmental organizations are increasingly promoting this technology as part of sustainable development goals. Initiatives supporting their installation and maintenance aim to reduce pollution, conserve resource, and enhance community health. Now, let's take a look at the installation process. Installing a septic tank involves several steps to ensure proper functioning and compliance with local regulations. Step number 1 is the site assessment. A site evaluation determines the appropriate size and the location of the septic tank based on the soil type, groundwater level, and proximity to water sources. Step number 2. Another set of pipes leads from the tank's outlet to the drain field, where treated wastewater is dispersed into the soil. Step number 4. Backfilling and compaction. Once the tank is in place and connections are made, the excavation is backfilled with soil and compacted to prevent settling or damage of the tank. Step number 5. Testing and certification. Local authorities may inspect the installation to verify compliance with safety and environmental standards before issuing a certification for use. Installation of biodigesters follows a similar process of that of septic tanks. However, they require additional consideration. Consideration number 1 includes design and sizing. Design factors include waste volume, temperature conditions, and intended biogas use. Number 2, construction of digester. Constructing the digester involves building a sealed tank capable of withholding anaerobic conditions. Material ranges from concrete to bricks. Some use plastic or fiberglasses. Consideration number 3, feedstock input. Organic waste such as kitchen scrap or animal manure is added to the digester regularly to maintain microbial activity and gas production. Number 4, gas collection and utilization. Biogas produced in the digester is collected via piping system and can be used directly for cooking or heating with appropriate appliance. Number 5, digested handling. The digested can be used in nutrients-rich fertilizer after further processing or storage. In Kenya, both septic tanks and biodigesters are gaining popularity as sustainable solutions to manage wastewater and organic waste. Septic tanks, commonly used in rural and pre-urban areas where centralized sewer systems are unavailable, septic tanks provide reliable wastewater treatment. The government and NGOs support their installation process through subsidies and education programs to promote proper maintenance and environmental protection. Biodigesters, particularly in rural communities, biodigesters offer multiple benefits. They not only treat organic waste but also produce renewable energy in the form of biogas, which reduces reliance on traditional fuel like firewood or charcoal. Organizations like Kenya Biogas Program have been instrumental in promoting biodigesters by offering subsidized technical support, and training to farmers and households. When it comes to cost consideration, the affordability of this technology remains a crucial factor in their adoption. Government initiatives and financing options help make this system more accessible to low-income households. This fosters economic empowerment and environmental sustainability. Talking of environmental impact is really crucial when using any of these systems. By reducing methane emission from organic waste and preventing groundwater contamination from untreated sewage, both septic tanks and biodigesters contribute to improved environmental health and community well-being in Kenya. Using a biodigester involves several key considerations to ensure its efficient operation and maximize benefits. Some of these considerations include feedstock selection and preparation, loading rates and mixing, temperature control, pH balance, gas collection and utilization, digester management, maintenance and monitoring, safety and compliance, community engagement and training. Talking of community engagement and training, this involves educating the people about biodigesters. Also, this helps the community to know how to handle it and also how to use it. In conclusion, while septic tanks and biodigesters differ in their technologies and application, both play a crucial role in sustainable waste management. Whether in rural villages or suburban neighborhoods, these systems offer practical solutions to mitigate environmental impact and improve public health. As awareness grows and technology advances, we can expect to see continued adoption and innovation in these essential systems. Let us know what you think about biodigesters and septic tanks down below. This is Building Better Homes, where we empower visionaries to build it right. I'm your host, Yvonne Kadzo.